Ginekachuku Solomon Alaboso presenting week 2 assignment on interview questions. The question on data structure, mostly on basket supply. The best data structure for it is stack. The following are my justifications. Stack is the data structure that have last in, first out, LIFO way technique of emptying itself. So for a basket to be filled, things or items have to be dropped into it from the top to the down. And once it gets filled, for you to remove it or for you to remove items from the basket, you have to start from the last, which is the one that's supposed to be at the top at that time, to remove. So supply is something inside a basket, it must stack is the appropriate data structure method that should be followed. Then another justification is that all the operations mentioned in the assignment, which include push, pop, which are addition and removal of items, and checking of emptiness, all stack has its it can handle all these operations perfectly. So now, how will this stack work? Stack works in a way that when you push, which is the addition of item in the basket, then that remains at the basket. And when you pop, which is the removal of from the item from the basket, this in a way that once the one you put last will equally be the one that will leave first, so that to create space for the one under it to be taken out if the removal is needed again. Then we have pick, which is the idea or method of looking into the basket but to see the item that are at the top. There's no removal needed here. It's just to see the item that are at the top of the basket. The last one is checking of emptiness. This is to look into the basket to see if there is items in the basket. Then as regards to time complexity, the time complexity for adding of items is for stack is 0.1. Also, the time complexity for adding a removal is also 0.1. The time complexity for checking emptiness is also 0.1. Thank you.